Welcome to an in-depth exploration of the lives of the farmers who cultivate mangosteen, an exquisite fruit often called the queen of tropical fruits. Join us as we journey through each stage of the process, from planting and nurturing to harvesting. This story is more than just an account of a fruit. It's a tribute to the love and sacrifices of those who have devoted their lives to these lush orchards in Asia. Mangosteen has become an emblem of tropical Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia, known for its delicate sweetness. The fruit is prized not only for its flavor, but also for its high nutritional value and health benefits. Mangosteen provides a rich source of vitamin C antioxidants that combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and bolster the immune system. Thanks to these qualities, mangosteen is beloved across Asia and has a thriving export market in countries like Japan, South Korea, Europe, and the United States, helping to boost farmers' incomes, create jobs, and tie entire communities to the cultivation of this remarkable fruit. To nurture a healthy mangosteen tree, farmers must care for it meticulously from the very beginning. The process begins with seed selection, a step requiring experience and precision. Superior mangosteen varieties yield larger fruits with thinner skins, more pulp, and fewer seeds. Farmers select only the healthiest seedlings, inspecting them carefully once young plants begin to grow. Preparing the soil is critical. The land must be cleared, organic fertilizers added to enrich it, and the soil kept loose and well drained. Mangosteen trees thrive in moist environments but are highly susceptible to waterlogging. So farmers must carefully regulate irrigation, keeping the soil neither too dry nor waterlogged. Mangosteen trees can live up to 100 years, but it takes about 7 to 10 years for them to mature and bear fruit. Caring for the plants is a lengthy endeavor, with farmers constantly monitoring the trees for even the slightest changes. Mangosteen trees are prone to pests, particularly molds and sap-sucking insects. Farmers often rely on organic methods to manage pests, using natural repellents instead of harmful chemicals, thereby protecting both the environment and the health of consumers. After months of toil, the mangosteen trees finally reach harvest time. The seasoned farmers eagerly await. The entire village comes alive, with everyone participating in the harvest. Because mangosteens do not ripen after picking, timing is crucial. Fruits are picked when they reach perfect ripeness, with skins turning a deep purple red. Harvesting is a delicate process. Even a minor scratch can reduce a mangosteen's quality. Hand picking is the traditional and still preferred harvesting method. Farmers use tools like sharp knives or pruning shears to carefully cut each fruit. Avoiding damage to the tree, they pick baskets full of mangosteen, placing them gently in larger crates for sorting. Even village children lend a hand, helping to inspect and categorize the fruit. The sight of plump, vibrant mangosteen fruits rewards farmers for their months of effort. Sorting the fruit comes next, where mangosteen is graded by size and quality. The finest fruits are set aside for export, while smaller or slightly scratched ones are sold domestically. This sorting process ensures each batch's quality, building a reputation for Asian mangosteen farmers in global markets. However, mangosteen farming isn't always smooth. Farmers face numerous challenges, from climate change to pest control and an unstable market. Weather significantly affects mangosteen quality and yield. If the rainy season arrives too early or too late, it can disrupt the growth cycle, leading to underdeveloped or unripe fruit. Another major hurdle is pest control. To protect their mangosteen orchards from pests while keeping them safe for both health and the environment, many farmers have opted for organic farming methods. They use natural pesticides from herbs or introduce beneficial insects like ants and spiders to control pests. Though safe and sustainable, these methods require patience and can be costlier. The market presents additional challenges, with mangosteen prices often fluctuating due to market demand and import regulations. When prices drop, farmers face significant losses, affecting both their income and the livelihoods of their families. Despite the hardships, a new generation of farmers is incorporating technology into their practices. Automated irrigation systems, organic fertilizers, and sustainable farming techniques are helping improve efficiency, reduce costs, and protect the environment. Additionally, international cooperative programs have taught farmers modern agricultural techniques, boosting both yield and quality. Moreover, the global shift towards organic and sustainable products presents new opportunities for mangosteen farmers. Consumers increasingly favor chemical-free, safe, and nutrient-rich produce, offering a promising future for these farmers. However, they must continue striving to enhance product quality and adopt sustainable farming methods to meet market expectations. We've now traveled the full journey, from planting to harvest, witnessing farmers' radiant smiles as they gather baskets full of ripe mangosteen, a testament to their love for their work and enduring perseverance. Each mangosteen fruit we enjoy is the result of their labor, sweat, and silent dedication. To the farmers who bring us this sweet and refreshing fruit, thank you. Let's appreciate and support them, ensuring that the journey of cultivating mangosteen continues to shine, not just across Asia but throughout the world.